What's up, all you 50 Mercury lovers? Look, if you love Mercuries, you're gonna love this. Look at this grill right here.
Right now it's running around
Wow. Look at those wheels. Look, it even comes with its own little squirrel.
Well,
Look at how gorgeous this
let
thing
me tell you,
is.
when it was in 95-degree weather, we'd run around with 180. But if I
Air
hit
conditioned.
traffic, we'd go up to 190,
Look at these windows.
with the fan.
This car is so cool. Let me just tell you something. Look at this paint. Wow, right? Wow, wow, wow. You just got, look at these windows that roll down. If you like old Mercury's classic cars, you like little squirrels that follow you. Don't forget to follow like the squirrel. See you guys on the next Florida Car Show.